up, everybody? Beautiful day. We're at Palm Beach. Took a little cab down here to get some breakfast at a spot called Bagels and Burgers. I always am getting a big breakfast. Sausage, eggs, you know, the usual. A couple coffees. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I was craving some coffee. I feel like when we go on trips, like not drinking caffeine, it almost like cleanses you. Because we always drink drinks all day, coffee. I think today we're just gonna do some little souvenir shopping. We were gonna do it last night, but somebody wanted to go to bed at like 7 o'clock after our dinner. We had a pretty good spot, that Kanuku house. That's some iguana soup, pasta, seafood pasta. So I'm just gonna chill around this area for a couple hours, maybe walk along the beach again, shop, get some souvenirs, and just enjoy this last day here. So let's get this day going. Where did you go? Excuse me. I lost her already. Oh, there she is. On the hunt for bracelets for the kids. We're always so damn picky. Gotta find the colors of the flag, but they're all kind of taken out. She found her magnet at least. I got a shot glass, and what else did I get? I think a hot sauce. Like some good papaya hot sauce. Had it a few times already. Pretty delicious, like spicy and fruity at the same time. Damn rail rooms is so cluttered with random stuff. Nice thing about these little scooters, you can just cruise on this big old, it's like a big boardwalk that goes from Eagle Beach to Palm Beach. Either way, the cab is $9, and I think these, I don't know if we're spending 5 each or 10 each, but it's worth it, it's fun. You just get a cruise. Try not to get railed, these gusts of wind. Look how good she looks. Whoa. Lizards and iguanas everywhere, just running around. We're gonna go hang out by the beach for a little bit. We're gonna check out a room. Just gonna chill, relax, wander for a bit. Cruise on these scooters. Ready? Out over here for a bit. Yeah. Let's park them.
There's our hotel from here.
Couple blocks from here.
Should we go closer so we don't have to walk and maybe just park and end it?
I just want to get a drink right here because this is a nice little bar.
Okay.
Do you want a drink or are you flying out by the water?
Well, we have my wine in the hotel, but...
You got like a glass.
Oh, that's it? I drank that bottle?
We drank all of the shit last night.
No wonder I was here, Mike.
6, 7 beers and 2 bottles of wine.
Yeah, let's get a drink and go go to the beach then.
Okay. Park them. Passions on the beach. Stopped here the first night. Wasn't too bad. Take a picture.
Huh? I am trying.
Let's watch your selfie. Any good picture you ever see, just know it took 20 tries. With a nagging woman complaining about it. Nice little beach spot. I got one of these Aruba Aribas. Has rum, vodka, orange and banana liquor, and fruit punch. Actually pretty damn good. Next to go back one.
No.
They all look good.
I wonder if it's because the live is on too.
Probably. What was your favorite part of this trip?
Being lazy on the beach after we were done being hungover.
Yeah, we did a lot of laziness on the beach.
And I'm not mad about it.
No. Normally we're flying around to different spots. This time we just came to one spot, chilled for 4 days. Let's go put our feet in the water at least on the beach, walk a little bit, and then go back. Go backpack up. How far out there they let you even go?
You know, the next little vacation away we do with just the two of us, and we're gonna have to do that because we can't ever do it when we have all the kids.
Yeah, I think you gotta be 18 or 16. I don't even know. It'd be fun to go clear out there.
Do it. Next time.
This is actually a nice place too, though, because there's no waves. Yeah, next time. Next time we'll get some jet skis. This calm the past couple days. Wasn't there more waves the past couple days? Way more calm, less storms.
Probably depends on how windy it is. There's always a little breeze.
Yeah, we went along this entire thing that first day or the second day, all the way to the end.
Yeah, we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
But we didn't do it on the beach. We did it
On the scooter.
Yeah, but I always feel like when you walk on the beach, it's really just you get pretty far without realizing.
I feel like no matter what trip you go on, you always have to have like a late flight before you leave. It sucks getting up early. At least you get like another day out of it. That's how I want to
do it every time. Leave early, like land so you have most of the day, and then leave so you have most of the day.
That's nice. We'll show you the place we're staying at. It's pretty nice. Got like a little outdoor pool, little bar area. Make some food, some grills. Nice ass pool spot though, pool hot tub. We spent most of the day yesterday here too. Check this out. Nice little shaded hot tub. Place for the kids over there if we brought them. See if I can find one of those iguanas running around. There was one that was up in this tree yesterday and just jumped right into the pool. Let's see if I can find one. No, it's a nice spot. We're on the bottom. Oh, here's one right here. We're on the bottom level, which makes it kind of convenient. Look at this thing. God damn. I just ate one of your cousins yesterday, little guy. Still can't get over it. I tried iguana soup. It's royal.
This year he was like, well, we're supposed to.
This is all she does all day. Just read. What'd you say you did? 30 books last year or something like that? Or half the year in 6 months?
I'm not getting any of this.
It's August.
And yeah, in like 5 months I did like 36 books.
Insane. That's a book a week. A book every 2 books a week. Pretty sure I've only read 2 books since middle school. Right? Somebody has patience to read. I don't. I read stuff about like traveling, but I can't sit there and read a novel. Ooh, this little lizard too. Something pop up at me. Man. This is a royal spot. There's plenty of places to actually look to stay in Aruba, but for the price range and A lot of like the big high-rise area, you're looking at like $7,000 to $1,000 a night minimum, kind of. This place we're staying at wasn't too bad. It was found on an Airbnb. It's like $1,100 for 3 days, but I ended up messaging the guy and found it on his actual website. So a lot of times you find stuff on Airbnb, send them a message for like a discount, and they might either give you 10% off or actually take you to their website, the local website, which just was prestigearuba.com, I think. And it was like $850 for 3 nights, so really not too bad. We had a nice hotel close to the beach. We're only a block off the beach. So, what, $200 a night, $250 a night, which is, I mean, it's still spendy, but compared to back home, you're spending $100, $200 a night anyways. Unless you get a nice spot. But yeah. And then the low-rise, this is the low-rise area, technically on Eagle Beach, but Palm Beach is the high-rise spots, which that's where we spent most of our time shopping and eating. There's some nice restaurants, and that's where that old Kanuku house we had last night was like inland, off the island or off the beach. That was a really good spot. I recommend that. Didn't really get to go check out the city, Oranjestad at all, but we'll save that for next time. Enjoy the last hour before we have to leave. All packed up out of the room, checked out. Just make sure about the pool till I ride. Yeah, you can expect to pay about, I said $28 for a ride from the airport, from an actual taxi. But we had our room set up on the way here. It was $35. Otherwise, it's $28 for a ride. Beautiful island paradise here. I'll tell you what. Find an iguana. Before we go.
I know, it makes me want to get that magnet that had the iguana on it. So
I thought you did. I got 2.
no, I just got the one. You told me one.
Which one was it? The lighthouse?
Yeah, the lizard and the sandy look in the background.
Did you get any pictures of the iguanas? Little videos scurrying away. Oh, there's one right underneath this chair. You can see this hanging out underneath the bench. Let me go get it. Look at these things, they're everywhere. It's got something on its back though. It's shedding. They're everywhere. Look at this one. People probably wondering what the hell I'm doing playing with the iguana. Palm trees, flowers. They blend right in the grass too. I suppose if you're from Florida, you're just used to this kind of stuff, but in Iowa, this is some wild shit. Yeah, they don't have much meat on them after eating one last night. It's almost like eating a little fish. Oh man, that's wild. They got a gym in here too. I was trying to work out a little bit. Did a couple curls, you know. Wasted about 30 seconds and then left. Didn't get a chance to fly the drone. It was too windy. I feel like it's still too windy now even to do anything. It sucked
If it
away.
tells you it's too windy, you better not risk it. Like, because it tells you one thing, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then it lost connection completely. This thing's landing on the beach. Chopper coming in. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Had a nice good day, roaming around, souvenirs. We're just gonna go to the airport in about an hour. Flight's not actually till 6, so we have like, they said be there 2.5 to 3 hours early. I guess it's really busy. We got nothing else to do, so. Then we gotta lay over in Miami and back to Omaha, Atlanta like midnight tonight. Get the kids, head home. Nice little 4-day vacation. Till the next one. Good night, like, share, subscribe. Later.